Assalamualaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Let's hard reset, password remove, huawei y6. If you forget password, you can remove at home. You need to switch off the phone first. Switch off phone here. Okay, switching off. Okay, now press volume up key. Keep holding. The button is not okay, but we have to make plan. Okay, keep holding and press the power key. When you see logo, release the power key and keep holding volume button. Keep holding. Okay, when you see this logo, you can release the key. Now we have to bring here on factory data reset from volume down key. You can select from the volume down key. Okay, here, see, here is the factory data reset. Now select with the power key once. We need to press once. Okay, and bring down here wipe data from the volume key down key. Once is here. Now can select with the power key. Once we need to press is wiping, formatting data is formatted. Now we just need to reboot the set from the power key. Just press once power key and is rebooting. Now your phone is wiped. Your phone is wiped now. Just hold and wait 2-3 minutes. It's very easy. You can do it at home. It's a huawei y6 hard reset, factory data reset. It will take 2 minutes or 3 minutes max. Just wait, do nothing, don't press any key. See, it's wiped, rebooted. Your phone is ready to use. Now you just go next and put your email ID and use it again. You will see now. Just hold 1 minute more. It's very easy, guys. You don't have to pay to the peoples. If you forget your pin, password, pattern, she is ready. Just select language and go next and this phone is ready. Please guys, like my video and share it and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.